Gentlemen, my seeds have just arrived from Thompson and Morgan, so let's get them open, shall we? If you excuse my shaky video, I'm trying to hold this and open them at the same time, which is not advisable. So let's just have a quick look here. That's one end open. Let's see what we've got here, shall we? Should be some Petunia as well. You've got Petunia Parade, Petunia Grandifloria, Petunia Super Cascade, Petunia Global Grandifloria. Some seeds in here as well, hopefully. Here we go. Bingo. Get these bad boys open, shall we? Always the most exciting time. Yay! So my baskets and pots are going to look absolutely brilliant this year. I'll be going to the garden centre this coming Wednesday, and then I shall be posting some videos on how I sow them, and how I pot them on and stuff like that. It says here, look really nice. Super Cascade, Colour Parade, mixed F1 hybrids. So F1 hybrid means that they should stay virtually true to the original plant. So yeah, it says sow January, February, March, but I always sow them so I can do it in the light, so I sow them in January. February here, February on that one, February to March on that one. As it says there, temperature 70 to 75. I like it warm, so I'll put them in the mini heater propagators under some artificial lights, and they shall start growing after a couple of weeks. So yeah, that's just my unboxing, and it's better than Christmas is. I really enjoy getting new seeds through the post. I find it much more exciting than that, but that's how sad I am. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask. If you like my videos, please subscribe. Thank you for watching, and have a good day. Thank you, bye.